persistence to turn around. I'm going the distance, it's the 13th round. My alarm clock went off this morning. It was screaming like a siren, a 2-minute warning. Countdown to showdown. Hit you with the lowdown. Time to make a change, cause it's about to go down. What?
World keeps spinning, time keeps ticking away.
With determined persistence, I'm going the distance. You can't win if you don't even play. Come on. What?
The world keeps spinning, time keeps ticking away.
Gonna bring out the best in me, fight for my destiny. Nothing is standing in my